Hi, my name's Paul Cheek, and I can't wait to tell you more about the Disciplined Entrepreneurship course from MIT Executive Education. It's going to go really, really fast. We're going to cover so much, and you're going to walk away with a lot. But we're going to take a really, really focused approach to teaching you this content. This course will help you visualize the systematic framework through which you can apply entrepreneurial skills within your organization. You'll walk away from the course with a new lens through which you can solve pain points for your customers, provide value to your customers, extract value from your customers, and scale your business. But don't worry, it's also going to be very fun. We're going to move really quickly through the 24 steps and other exclusive content that will help you from the tactical perspective, but we're going to have some fun doing it too, right? We can think of this as a community. And when you come into this program, we're going to make sure you get to know some of the other members of your cohort coming through the program together so that you build a network. So who's this class even for? Well, it's disciplined entrepreneurship, but it's not just for entrepreneurs. You can take this mindset and skill set from an entrepreneurial perspective to better lead your team, to get more done, and to do it the right way. We're going to make sure that you are able to best leverage this content after the program's over. You, much like past participants, you're going to be shocked at how much you've learned in such a short period of time.